Hey guys, for today's mini vlog, slime edition. Ito yung una, akin. Yung second, akin. Ito yung cloud. Ito yung butter. Ito yung unahin. For the last time. Pag naririnig niyo, comment down below. Okay, tapos na to. At ito yung interior na ginawa ko. Teka, ipapakita ko sino yung nagbe-video para sa akin. Ay, sorry. Hi guys. Uy, ito siya. At ito yung butter. Si pink. Ako yan. Mamaya. Ikaw mamaya. Sabihin mo kasi, it's my sister's. This is my interior. Sabihin mo, my little sister's want to see you. My sister want to see the camera. So I'm thinking, bili niya, hawakan mo yung or doon ka sa tabi ni Casey. Okay. Sa tabi ka niyan, ting. Usog-usog ka. Ganito ginagawa ko. Tapos i-flex mo yung mga binili nyo, Casey. Casey. Sa camera. Ano yun, may sasabihin mo yung mga headband niya. Bili yung headband, Casey. Bili yung headband. Casey. This is my bow. Pakinig mo. Pakinig mo. Pakinig mo. Pakinig mo dito. Ito. Sabihin mo, look at the sounds. If you hear the sounds, like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Okay, here's the truth. So the clouds slime is from my father. He's happy. O, tingnan, sali ka. He's ready. And this is my sister. Yan, no. Easy pala, rawin mo si Anding. It's hard to open, okay? Open lang. Okay, that's enough. Okay na. Sabihin mo, bye guys.